Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P0746 indicates an issue with the continuously variable transmission CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve. This specific error suggests that the solenoid, responsible for regulating pressure in the CVT, is stuck in the off position. The solenoid valve plays a critical role by controlling fluid flow, thereby affecting the pulley ratio and overall transmission performance. When this valve fails, it can cause the transmission to behave erratically, leading to potential slipping or failure to shift correctly. In the case of this DTC, the Honda Civic 2022 Plus model is identified, which has an advanced CVT that relies heavily on electronic controls. When diagnosing this issue, it's essential to gather relevant diagnostic data and follow a systematic troubleshooting approach. The error code P0746 points towards a fault in the CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve. This solenoid is integrated with the valve body assembly of the CVT system, located within the transmission unit itself. Its primary role is to manage fluid pressure in the CVT, which is vital for controlling the pulley ratio during vehicle operation. When the vehicle is stopped, if the forward clutch is engaged and the required input torque exceeds a certain threshold without causing slippage, the Transmission Control Module, TCM, identifies this as an abnormal condition and triggers the DTC. The solenoid valve's failure to operate correctly can lead to inadequate pressure being applied in the system, affecting driving performance. Understanding its exact location and function is crucial for proper diagnosis and repair. Several possible causes can trigger the DTC P0746. The most common issue is a faulty CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve, which may be stuck or not functioning as intended. This failure can stem from wear, contamination, or electronic control malfunctions. Next, wiring issues such as broken, frayed, or corroded wires can interfere with the proper signal transmission between the solenoid and TCM, leading to operational failures. Additionally, the TCM itself may malfunction, causing incorrect commands to be sent to the solenoid. Ensuring that all electrical connections are in good condition and that the solenoid is working properly is imperative during troubleshooting. Each of these causes must be carefully evaluated to pinpoint the exact issue leading to the DTC. The symptoms resulting from DTC P0746 can significantly affect the vehicle's drivability. One primary symptom is transmission slipping, where the engine revs, but the vehicle does not accelerate as expected. This occurs because the solenoid is not providing the necessary pressure to engage the clutches effectively. Drivers may also experience erratic shifting. The transmission may shift unexpectedly or fail to shift at all. Another symptom is an unresponsive transmission, particularly noticeable when attempting to accelerate from a stop. The vehicle may hesitate or fail to respond adequately. It's essential to observe these symptoms during a diagnostic process, as they can provide valuable insights into the severity and nature of the issue at hand. The first troubleshooting step involves starting the engine. This initial action is vital as it enables the vehicle's systems, including the TCM, to become active and evaluate performance under normal operating conditions. Following this, you need to test drive the vehicle in drive mode, commonly referred to as D. While driving, the objective is to accelerate and reach a vehicle speed of 37 miles per hour or 60 kilometers per hour. At this speed, the TCM assesses whether the CVT operates within specified parameters. This step is crucial because it confirms or denies the presence of symptoms related to the fault code. Observing any abnormal behavior during these actions will guide your next steps in addressing the error. The next step in troubleshooting entails slowing down and bringing the vehicle to a complete stop. This part of the procedure aims to assess how the transmission responds to changes in throttle application from a stationary position. After stopping, you'll then need to accelerate from a complete stop while applying full throttle in drive mode. This action enables you to evaluate whether the transmission can deliver power effectively under full load, which is a critical test for diagnosing potential issues with the CVT solenoid's operation. Observing the vehicle's behavior during acceleration will provide further insights into the operational state of the CVT. If the vehicle fails to accelerate smoothly or exhibits signs of slipping during this test, it reinforces the likelihood of a malfunction in the solenoid or related components. Once repairs have been executed, it is essential to verify their success comprehensively. Start by confirming that the vehicle behaves as expected during operation. This involves clearing the DTC from the TCM using a scan tool or Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, allowing the system to reset. Following this, a test drive is necessary to ensure that the issue has been resolved. Conduct the same driving tests as previously outlined, checking for any signs of error code reemergence. This critical step is not only a confirmation of repair effectiveness, but also reassures the owner that their vehicle is now operating correctly and safely. If the code does reappear, further investigation will be needed to ascertain if additional underlying issues exist. Preventive maintenance alleviates the risk of DTC P0746 occurring in the future. First, regular checks of the CVT fluid should be conducted to ensure it is at appropriate levels and free from contaminants. The quality and condition of the fluid are essential factors in the longevity of the CVT system and prevent wear on components. Next, it's crucial to inspect the wiring and connectors associated with the solenoid and TCM regularly, as corrosion or wear can lead to operational failures down the line. Finally, performing periodic diagnostic scans of the vehicle can help catch potential issues before they develop into significant problems. By incorporating these preventive actions, you can maintain the overall health of the transmission system, ensuring reliable performance and reducing the likelihood of encountering error codes such as P0746. Understanding the implications of DTC P0746 is essential for ensuring the reliability of your Honda Civic 2022. This specific code indicates that the CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve is not functioning correctly, which can lead to significant transmission issues if not addressed promptly. By employing a systematic troubleshooting process, mechanics and technicians can ascertain the root cause of the problem effectively. It's essential to perform thorough tests and recognize symptoms that may point toward the solenoid, wiring, or TCM issues. Moreover, prioritizing preventive maintenance is vital. Maintaining fluid levels, inspecting wiring, and running diagnostic scans can help prevent issues from occurring in the first place. By adhering to these guidelines, you'll help ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your vehicle's transmission system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.